Hey guys, it's me again. Currently don't know where I'm going. Say what's up. They're taking me on a hike. Didn't even do my intro. I guess it's a shoot day with Leo, so cue intro.
That boy is Benny Honda.
Got spaghettis in the face, don't put a price on it. But the carpet got the Gucci with the snakes on it. When I walk in, everybody put their name on it. Fuck with me and CA, I put a price on it. Just because she for.
We got it all? Hey Jaden.
Back up.
Alright. Jaden's gonna scale the top because he wants to get over there. Look at this dude. They need me to take some photos up there. I'm going up there. No cap. Alright guys, so this is how all the shoots go down. Yeah. Wilderness. Alright guys, so it's my turn to take pictures. Someone take my camera. Oh my gosh, look at this thumbnail. Well guys, next location. On the way. Can we get food? Brought out the big guns. Looking like a whole cinematographer.
Yo, Rick versus my
And
Rick.
then he brought his too. What we're about to do right now, we're just walking. I think we're gonna take pictures. Are you recording?
Yeah.
What? I want to see how that looks. That probably looks clean. Hey. She's recording me on her phone with her penisless cat. It is the slow-mo daddy. Insert slow motion clip right there. Boom. We've arrived at the falls. Take over the vlog, Shamir. No, I'm just playing. So as you guys know, Corona's a thing. I see lots of people with no masks on. He doesn't have a mask on. She doesn't have a mask on.
You know you can be outside with them.
So, if we're in Florida, this wouldn't go too well.
If we were in Florida, everyone would be here.
Oh, facts. Lighting's pretty bad. You think we should get some photos together?
Yeah, we could.
We'll do some photos together. We'll put in the vlog. Bangers, 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna do a little slow-mo action. So I'm gonna put somewhere.
Go.
We're currently deciding food options. We don't know what we want to get. The camera eats first, you know, the vibe.
That's so true.
Whenever I order food, my food gets here last. But I'm placing a bet that Jaden's food is gonna be here last.
Maybe one of them.
So I assume.
If he still gets it before you, knowing that he got 2 things.
So you think I'm gonna get my food? I know I probably will get my food last, but we'll see. So my food was actually the first to arrive, and his did not.
Bro, it's the size of like.
I was correct.
I mean, technically mine was the first to arrive.
It's just like.
Yeah, but that's an appetizer. We're making the decision whether to stay or not. Heads, we stay. Is that what it is? Tails, we go.
Basically, yes.
All right.
Home time.
Tails.
Called it.
Is that home?
Home time.
Alright, yo, back at the crib, and I'm about to make these ice cream sandwiches. Just went to the store and got the stuff. Really quick tutorial. I seen this on Tasty, I think. So I just want to try it out. I'm going to tell y'all how it tastes. I'm going to show y'all what it look like, blah, blah, blah. But shoot day was super fun. Alright, get you some ice cream. Boom. I just got this one because it was cheap. Next, get you some cookies. I got Subway cookies because these are gas. And I'm going to get you some of these because get you the thickest knife in the room and just cut the ice cream like that. Boom.
So what's it like walking around with this big thing normally?
You get a lot of eyes, you feel me? Like everyone's always like, yo, who is that?
So, but do you spit some game though?
To who? To the female?
Yeah. Of
You
course,
see the
bro.
vlogs, bro. Come on.
Mm.
Come on now.
I seen that. I seen. Yo, subscribe to Khalil, right? Hard. To get in or?
Like, let's see it.
Cameras out. Boy Anthony. This guy's actually nasty. I see him always hooping on Instagram.
Bro, I saw some of your latest vlog, bro. This guy's hating. I see that this guy's
Me?
butter.
Nah. I'm not even nice like that.
It's your boy Xavier Brown and Cena. Yes, sir.
It's not even on, fam.
It is, fam. Oh, it's fully on.
Oh, it's focused now. It's focused now. You ugly as shit.
You got games on your phone?
Oh my god.
I'm single.
It exposes man.
You say you're single?
You're not single.
I am single.
Hey
To the
guys,
camera, I'm single.
my name is Ernie Mommy. I'm not single, but I like to cheat. 647.
My Instagram is _Xavier.Brown with a Z. I'm just saying.
We'll tag it in there, don't worry.
Yes, sir. Subscribe to Khalil on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Yo, if my girl sees this, I'm dead.
Hey! Let's go!
Wait, that's a bang out.
Hey!
Wet. That's D1. That's D1. D1.
Guys, remember, I don't hoop, okay? These guys hoop.
He said he doesn't hoop. That's a lie, bro. That's a lie.
Why looking so cute, bro?
I got some buckets here and there, but I don't hoop.
Fuck you, bro. He's a walking bucket.
What do you have to say?
He's actually nasty, bro.
Yeah, okay, bro. We'll see that right now.
But your boy owes me $20, bro. I took a half court shot in the bar. Fuck you, Khalil. Fuck you, Khalil. Fucking owe me $20, bitch.
Khalil!
Oh my God, we don't want you.
Oh! So next shit. Swing it. Khalil! Give it to Khalil!
Oh! Oh!
That's dirty.
Cut that out.
Cut that out, Steve.
Give it to Khalil. Give him the ball. Okay, like there.
Oh, yeah! Let's go, boy! Yeah! Yo, see Khalil again! Khalil! Yo, X give it to Khalil! Let's go, boy! Let's go, boy! Real shit though, put this in. Follow me on Instagram.
Nah, shut the hell up. What's your name?
Shut the fuck
What's
up.
your name? Yo, what's your name? As soon as a shorty see your height, cutting you
Oh,
off.
look at you. Yo, dead ass. I'm the best cameraman, fam. I'm getting all those zoom in, zoom outs. Richard can never. Richard, you hearing this? You can never.
He's gonna cut that out, bro.
Don't cut that out.
Yo, what are you saying?
Khalil's the best on the court, right?
Khalil?
Yeah, he's not even a basketball player. Yeah, facts. It's a fact.
Yo, get Johnny in this. Yo, Johnny, what are your thoughts on Khalil, man? What are your thoughts on Khalil? I don't know. He's a good vlogger. I watched some of them.
Yeah.
Good guy. Seems sick guy. Yeah.
He's even the goat. Bro, he's nasty, eh? He's nasty, right?
Alright, I'm here with Johnny. What's your last name? Avgusti. I'm here with Johnny Avgusti. You gotta spell that out. These are my sons. Oh, I don't know.
Oh! Where Khalil? Oh, Khalil!
What? He's built different, bro. Thoughts on the game so far? I'm here with Anthony. Yo, what are your thoughts on the game so far?
Trying to play the game.
You heard it from me. You heard it from him. Kawhi mentality. He just wants to play the game. First. He just wants to play the game. He's a fun guy. He's a fun guy. You know, we're just gonna have to ask him. Do the laugh, do the Kawhi laugh. Let me see their impersonation of Kawhi. Aha. He's not a shooter, man. Look at him. He's not a shooter.
And that's game. You say, hey, what did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Bro, he's not a shooter?
Oh no, Khalil's the greatest on the
I
court.
called he was gonna game that too, guys. I called that.
Shit.
Anything you wanna say?
Fuck Jakai, whatever the fuck your last name is. Fuck that nigga, bro.
Just do it. Just brick and miss the whole game winner and fuck up the whole game.
Here it is.
You're gonna be able to register for class, but like,
Woo! Okay.
I don't know why you didn't step up.
That's game, right?
I called it too.
yo, say something for the vlog. Say something Khalil raised love.
Hey, Khalil owes me $20.
Yo, Khalil, bro, what is this about?
Yo,
I made a half court shot in the dark.
he said, fuck you, pay me.
Yeah,
Oh, shit.
Oh shit! You literally have a shirt that says that.
What?
Khalil, he said, "Fuck you, pay me with
This
the
is
shirt."
content. This is
He
content.
came prepared, bro.
Yo, Khalil, you better post that clip. Owe him money, bro, and his shirt says "Fuck you, pay me."
Yo, Khalil, cut the footage. Cut the footage. You don't need this.
Alright, yo, so I'm gonna end the video off right here. As you can see, I got this this ring light that's even better. So I'm gonna start making videos with this just cause, you know, better lighting or whatever. Remember, get the video to 100 like I'm gonna drop the full fight if you do that. Actually, you know what? I'll drop it tomorrow. Why not? I'm gonna drop that video tomorrow along with this video whenever you see this video, which is probably today. I'm gonna just end the video off right here. Hope you like it. All that YouTube stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all next time, man. Deuces, man. Leo out. Peace.